Right here we have a 124 scale MotorMax Dodge Charger. This is a, again, 124 scale. This is the newer body style, or one of the newer body styles anyway, not the newest. This is decals, a Gainesville Police Department unit from Florida. And we'll go over the lighting here real quick. Correct unit numbers that you asked for along with the license plate that you wanted. As you can see around the unit, decals properly according to the pictures that you sent. So everything is done accordingly. The hood opens on this as well as the front doors. You asked for flashing headlights and working spotlight, light bar, strobes in it, flashing tail lights. You have the siren, and then you also wanted the blue strobes in the front, lower front bumper, around the side of the bumper, or actually the front fascia, right there below the headlights. So, lost my train of thought. Anyway, decal, or a laptop in there with the decals on it, and also interior work lights. So we'll see those here in just a little bit. Switches are on the bottom, main power switch right here. This is to control your siren. When it does come time to change the batteries, do not, I say do not, no need to take all of the screws out. Just take these two screws out of the rear here, and then this back bumper piece. You can see this seam right here. This piece will pull off, and then you can just change the battery through the back. You can take all the screws out if you want, but like I said, regardless, it's only going to take 5 minutes either way, but at least that's a little bit quicker. You don't have to worry about it. Just take the two screws out and then separate the pieces right there, and you can pull the battery, replace it easy enough, so save a little bit of time. Let's go ahead and turn it on and go over the lighting. Again, you can see your flashing headlights. While the tires keep doing that. The blue strobes in the corner there. Of course, both front corners there. Have it. There's your spotlight. Interior work light. You can see your decals and everything on the laptop. Red and blue strobe light bar. Numbers on the roof. And flashing tail lights. Hit the siren once, it's going to go through the different tones. If I press the right button. Each press after that will give you a different tone. Or the fifth press will turn it completely off. So there you have it. I appreciate the order. We'll get settled up on this, and I will get it shipped out as soon as possible, man. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.